to go through, you have to make almost the perfect game. So create a lot of chances, be clinical when you create the chances, concede few chances, and the chances we're going to receive, defend well, and our keeper save it. All the conditions. So you have to make the almost perfect game to go through, because the result is tough. It's 3-0, but you have 90 minutes. In football, in all the sports, basketball, in all the sports, everything can happen. So only we can do, and always we are going to do is try it, and we'll see. Of course, we don't have to think about how many goals you have to score. You have to score the first one, and have to try to make the second one, and we'll see if the good momentum that's happening in the Champions League, try to do it longer as possible, and we're going to see.